In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily get Better Discord plugins and themes. Better Discord is a community-created modification that adds extra customization options to Discord, allowing you to personalize the app with plugins and themes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the setup process, show you where to manage your customizations, and share a few important tips to help you use it safely and effectively. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Better Discord website. It's important to use the official site so you're getting the genuine version rather than one from an unofficial source. Before continuing, take a moment to verify that you're on the correct website. Once you're on the homepage, select the button to get Better Discord. You may notice a version number displayed on the page, and it's perfectly normal if it's different from the one shown in this video, since new releases become available over time. Save the setup file, then open it to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. If you're asked which version of Discord you'd like to modify, select the appropriate Discord release and continue through the remaining prompts. The setup process is generally straightforward and only takes a few moments. If Discord is currently running, you may be prompted to close it before continuing. Once the process is complete, launch Discord again. Before moving on, keep in mind that Better Discord is a third-party modification and is not an official Discord feature. Because of that, it's a good idea to use it responsibly and only add plugins or themes from sources you trust. Now that Discord has reopened, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the Better Discord section. Seeing this section confirms that Better Discord has been added successfully. If it doesn't appear immediately, simply restart Discord and check again. Inside the Better Discord section, open the Plugins tab and then the Themes tab. These are the areas where you'll manage everything you add. You'll find options to enable or disable plugins and themes, view information about them, and organize your customization preferences. You can also check for updates to help keep your plugins and themes compatible with the latest version of Discord. As you begin customizing Discord, stick to reputable sources when choosing plugins and themes, and always read their descriptions so you understand what they do before enabling them. It's also a good idea to keep only the features you actually use enabled. If something doesn't work as expected after turning on a plugin or theme, disable it to see if the issue is resolved. Since Discord receives regular updates, you may occasionally need to revisit the Better Discord section to make sure everything remains compatible. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up Better Discord, located its settings inside Discord, and learned where to manage your plugins and themes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,